हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। लास्ट वीक हमने पार्ट 1 में कुछ केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम पार्ट 2 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसमें मैं और भी कुछ केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करूंगा जो 2025 क्लास 10 सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम में आए हैं। सो दिस वीडियो इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स, सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। So let's get started. This is a frequently asked question in examination. So understanding this type of question is very crucial. It says, given below are the structures of some hydrocarbons. Select two structures which are related to each other from the given options. Option number 1, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom present in this hydrocarbon and 1 carbon-carbon double bond is present. So it belongs to alkene, and this is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So what is the molecular formula of this hydrocarbon? C4H8. And what is the name of this hydrocarbon? It is but 1. Now see option number 2. Here again there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are present in this hydrocarbon, and all the carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond are the single bonds. So it belongs to alkane and saturated hydrocarbon. The molecular formula of this alkane C4H10, and the name of this hydrocarbon N-butane. Okay, so N-butane is a straight chain hydrocarbon. Now see the option number 3. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, and all the carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond are the single bonds. So it belongs to alkane and saturated hydrocarbon, and 1 carbon atom is branched here. Okay, due to this the name of this hydrocarbon is isobutane, and the molecular formula of this isobutane is C4H10. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane. Okay, so this is a branch structure. Now let's see option number 4. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms present in this hydrocarbon, and 1 carbon-carbon double bond is present and 1 chlorine group is present. So it belongs to alkene. So this is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, and the molecular formula of this hydrocarbon C4H7Cl, and what is the name of this hydrocarbon? 4-chloro-but-1-ene, or we can say 4-chlorobutene. So if we compare option number 1 and option number 4, we can see that both this hydrocarbon belongs to alkene. Okay, both this hydrocarbon have different molecular formula. Here C4H8, but in this case C4H7Cl. Okay, so these two structures are not same. Now if we compare option number 2 and option number 3, that is N-butane and isobutane, we can see that both belongs to alkane and both have same molecular formula, that is C4H10, but the different chemical structure. In N-butane it is a straight chain, but in isobutane it is a branched chain. Okay, therefore we can say that these two structures are isomers, because they have the same chemical formula but they have this different chemical structure. Okay, so option number 2 and option number 3 is the right answer. So these two structures are related to each other. Let's discuss this question. Choose the incorrect statement about the common reaction used in hydrogenation of vegetable oils. Now, the hydrogenation of vegetable oils involves the addition reaction. Okay, or we can say the hydrogenation reaction, and this reaction involves C double bond C, that is alkene, reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel or palladium catalyst. Okay, and the product C bond C, these two hydrogen get attached to two carbon atom on both the sides. Okay, so this is a saturated hydrocarbon, and this is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, now let's see the options. It is an addition reaction. Yes, it is an addition reaction because hydrogen is added to this alkene. B number, it takes place in the presence of nickel or palladium catalyst. Yes, this reaction takes place in the presence of nickel or palladium catalyst. So this statement is also correct. Option number C, the product contains only single bonds between the carbon atoms. Yes, this is the product and it contains only single bonds between the CC. Okay, option number D, it is an addition reaction which occurs in the presence of an acid catalyst, but this reaction occurs in the presence of nickel or palladium catalyst. So option number D is the incorrect statement. Let's discuss this question, assertion and reason. Assertion says hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. So now let's understand this with an example. For example, copper plus nitric acid, it forms copper nitrate plus water plus nitrogen dioxide. So after balancing, it looked like this. Okay, so being a strong oxidizing agent, it converts hydrogen gas directly to H2O. That means it oxidizes hydrogen to H2O and itself reduced to nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so the assertion is right, hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. The reason is nitric acid is a strong reducing agent. So this statement is completely wrong. Nitric acid is very strong oxidizing agent and it reduces the hydrogen produced in the reaction to water. Again, this statement is wrong. It oxidizes the hydrogen produced in the reaction to water. So the reason is wrong, but the assertion is right. So option number C, assertion A is true, but the reason R is false. So option C is the correct answer. If you found this video and my explanation helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.